Here I have Asus Zenfone 10, and today I'm going to show you how to remove screen lock from this device in case if you set yourself PIN, password or pattern and unfortunately you forget it and can't even unlock your device now. So what can you do in this kind of situation? Firstly, you will have to turn your device off by holding down power key and then tap power off. And after it turns off completely, hold down combination of keys, power key plus volume up at the same time like this. In the following menu, using volume keys to navigate and power key to select an option recovery mode. In the following menu, using volume keys to navigate and power key to select, just like in the previous one, select an option wipe data factory reset, then select yes, and after you've done it, select an option reboot system now, and your device will be restarted in about a minute or two, and there will be no more screen lock. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.